Good day, my wonderful students at home. Today, we shall be learning together some useful examination tips on test of orals, paper 3 of the West African Senior School Certificate Examination that is already knocking at the door. Our learning objectives. You should be able to 1. Identify the importance of the relationship between consonant vowel letters and consonant vowel sounds. 2. Identify the phonetic symbols and pronounce them correctly in given words. 3. Apply the useful tips we are going to learn on this program in answering questions in the examination. The paper is divided into 7 sections. Sections 1 and 2 test your understanding of the relationship between consonant vowel sounds and consonant vowel letters. I need to let you know or remind you here that there is inconsistency in the relationship between sounds and letters of the English language. One of the reasons responsible for this is that there are more sounds than letters. We have 44 sounds, apart from the few triphthongs, but just 26 letters. And this brings us to a situation where a letter is pronounced with 2 or more sounds as that letter occurs in different words. A good example is a combination of C and H. CH pronounced as K in chemistry, as sh in archbishop, as sh in champagne. Let's quickly go to May, June 2016 past questions to practice. Question 2. The word is afford, A-F-F-O-R-D, where letter A is not stressed in this word and is pronounced as sound, sure sound, Options: A, enjoy, B, peck, C, water, D, gray. The correct option is water, where ER pronounced with the sure sound just like letter A in afford. Question 3. S-A-Y-S, says. A-Y underlined, pronounced as sound Options: A, fez, B, paid, C, watch, D, pride. The correct option is A, fez, letter E pronounced as just like AY in says. I want to quickly point your attention to this or remind you that when SAY is not taken with letter S, the AY are pronounced as A as in pay. The moment letter S is added, the AY become and the word is says. Section 2, consonant sounds and letters. The word given in question 17 is dam. Dam, MB, pronounced with the first nasal sound as a mama, where B is silent. Options: A, flame, B, rubber, C, sing, D, frowning. The correct option is flame. ME pronounced as just like MB pronounced as in drum. Section 3, rhymes. 2 words are said to have the same rhyme pattern when they have 1, the same final vowel, 2, the same final vowel and consonant, 3, the same final vowel and consonant cluster, e.g. toast and boast. I also need to remind you that rhyme pattern is not determined by the spelling of words, but by the pronunciation of the words involved. 33 and question 34. The word given in 33 is rise. Options: A, rims, B, risk, C, price, D, size. The correct option is D, size, which rhymes with rise. Question 34. The word given is slime, S-L-I-M-E. Options: A, brim, B, cry, C, dream, D, grime, G-R-I-M. G-R-I-M rhymes with slime, grime, slime, slime. At this juncture, we need to go on a short break. I will see you when you come back. Welcome to another interesting session. We will start with section 4, correct stress pattern, word stress. In every word that has more than one syllable, not all the syllables are pronounced with the same degree of force. The syllable that is pronounced with stronger or the strongest force, as the case may be, is said to be the stressed syllable. I'm sure you still remember our definition of syllable. A syllable is the smallest pronounceable unit of sound, which forms a whole word or part of a word. This implies that there are words with just one syllable, go, car. There are words with 2 or more syllables, success, education. I want to quickly give you 1 or 2 clues here. When you come across a word that ends in S-I-O-N or T-I-O-N, the short words as it were, you stress the second to the last syllable, education, mobilization, the K, second to the last syllable, usually stressed. 2, when you come across a word that ends in I-T-Y, the E-T words, you count from the back and look for the option that has the third syllable from the back written in capital letters. Responsibility, accountability. In the examination, a 4-syllable word is given in each question. The primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable on which it occurs in capital letters. It's your job to recognize the syllable that has the correct pattern and pick the option. Question 37, development, development, development. Option A, the first syllable D is written in capital letters. Option B, second syllable written in capital letters. C, third syllable written in capital letters. And D, the last syllable written in capital letters. The correct option there is option B, wherever the second syllable has the correct stress pattern, development. Question 38, concentration. You remember one of the clues I gave you earlier on. Option A, the first syllable con is written in capital letters. Option B, written in capital letters. Option C, tray, the third syllable written in capital letters. And option D, shan, written in capital letters. The correct answer is option C, where the second to the last syllable, tray, is written in capital letter. And so it has the correct stress pattern, concentration. We go to question 40, diplomatic. Option A, first syllable in capital letters. B, second syllable capital letters. C, third syllable capital letters. And D, meant, the last syllable written in capital letters. The correct option is option C, where mer, the third syllable, is written in capital letter. Diplomatic, that word is stressed on the third syllable. Section 5, different stress pattern. Four words except one have the same stress pattern. You must be able to recognize the one with a different stress pattern. Please practice with me as I pronounce. Option A, dinner. Option B, current. Option C, divide. Option D, number. Options A, B, and D have their words stressed on the first syllable, while option C, divide, is stressed on the second syllable. Therefore, option C, divide, is the word or the option that has a different stress pattern. Question 45. Constructive, A. B, technical. C, necessary. D, beautiful. You discover that options B, C, and D have their words stressed on the first syllable, while option A is stressed on the second syllable. Constructive. Constructive. The correct option is option A. Constructive, second syllable. Here, We come to the end of this session and we're going on another break. Take some time to go through what we have done. See you after the break. Welcome back. Section 6, emphatic and contrastive stress. Here you are given a sentence in which the word that takes the emphatic stress is written in capital letters. This is followed by 4 questions, A to D. You are required to pick one to which the given sentence is the appropriate answer. The clue to solving the puzzle here is that you look out for the option that has a word that is contrasted to or different from the one that takes the emphatic stress in the given sentence. Look for the option that has a word that is contrasted to or different from the word that is emphasized in the given sentence. Practice question 46. The sentence is, Stella likes reading novels. Options: A. Does Stella like reading magazine? B. Does Stella like reading novels? C. Does Stella dislike reading novels? D. Does Stella like buying novels? The correct option is option A, where magazine is contrasted to the emphasized word novels in the given sentence. Does Stella like reading magazine? No. Stella likes reading novels. Question 48. The sentence given is, there are 50 people at the rally. 50 emphasized and written in capital letters. Option A, are there 50 people at the rally? B, are there 20 people at the rally? C, were there 50 people at the rally? D, are there 50 people at the meeting? The correct option or question is option B, where 20 is contrasted to the emphasized word in the sentence given, 50. Are there 20 people at the rally? No. There are 50 people at the rally. Section 7. This is similar to sections 1 and 2, but here there are phonetic symbols which you must be able to recognize, connect them with their corresponding letters as those letters occur in given words, and you must be able to pronounce correctly. Practice question 51. The given phonetic symbol is the long vowel E. Option A, spill. Option B, seize. Option C, pretty. Option D, funny. The correct option is B, seize. S-E-I-Z-E, where letters E-I are pronounced with the long vowel sound E. Question 56. Consonant sound Y, Y. Options A, measure. B, huge. C, pressure. D, wage. The correct option is option A, measure, 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 where letter S is pronounced with the sound, consonant sound Y, Y, Y. The same sound that is used to pronounce the G in genre, the GE in garage, the GE in beige, the S in vision, in decision, in television, in confusion. Here, this brings us to the end of our discussion on test of orals. I want to encourage you, spend your time in engaging in positive activities that will add value to you and others around you. As a goal, play, study hard, and pray. And I wish you all the best. Till I come your way again. Bye-bye.